Hi, today I'm here with the unboxing of a woman's fall winter 2024 Hermes shirt. It is the Mosaique shirt, which is in 100% cotton and in blanc or white. So let's get to it. So here's the shirt. The Mosaique gets its name from the pattern that you can see very faintly on the shirt as well. It comes in white, it comes in gray, it comes in, I believe, a gray or a taupe, and I believe a tan color or black color, excuse me, as well. There is a hidden cloul button right here in the middle that you can either choose to button up like this, with some plastic on it, or you could choose to hide it underneath the collar, like so, like that, and wear it open. It is made in France, as you can see, and it is 100% cotton. Going down on the sleeves, there are more cloul buttons on each one of the sleeves, and down the length of the shirt as well, there are some hidden regular buttons right down the middle. These do fit true to size, and there's a handy little hanger hook. If I can get it open, you get the idea, like so, on the back. Yeah, you can also put a twilly around this as well, or around the neck, to kind of dress this up a little bit so it's not as plain. So in the US, as of June 2024, the Mosaique women's shirt retails for $2,175. Thanks for watching. As always, leave any questions, comments, feedback, etc. below. Always love to hear from you, and I'll see you next time.